Hello everybody. This time we are talking about cross price elasticity. Cross price elasticity measures how sensitive the demand of a product is over a shift of a corresponding product price. Often in the market, some goods can relate to one another. This may mean a product's price increase or decrease can positively or negatively affect the other product's demand. And then how to calculate cross elasticity of demand. The first, figure out the total quantity demanded of X and the initial price of Y. Second, determine the final quantity demanded of X and the ending price of Y. Third, calculate the percentage change in the quantity demanded of X to find the numerator. You can do this by subtracting the last and first quantities and dividing that by the total sum of the initial and final quantities. Fourth, now you must calculate the denominator, the percentage change in price. Divide the final and initial prices by the total sums of the last and initial prices. And fifth, calculate the cross price elasticity of demand by dividing the percentage change in quantity by the percentage change in price. And then we move to types of cross price elasticity. The first type, substitute. Under cross price elasticity, substitutes refer to products and services that are similar but may satisfy customers' needs differently. For example, a rise in the price of product B might increase demand for the similar product A, motivating customers to replace product B with product A. When a substitution occurs in cross-price elasticity, it creates a result with a value above zero. Two products can range from being close substitutes to perfect substitutes. Second, complements. Complementary products are the opposite of substitutes in cross-price elasticity measures. Complements refer to demonstrating that the two products have the most value for the customers when consumed together. For example, if there is an increase in the price of product B that results in less demand for product A, then this may indicate that customers are choosing to purchase this pair of products less frequently. When the cross-price formula is used to calculate the results for a pair of products that are complements of each other, then the result is a value less than zero. And then third, unrelated products. When two products are unrelated, there is no relationships between changes in selling prices and the quantity demanded. This means that changing the selling price for one product doesn't change the demand for another product. When products are resulting in being unrelated offerings, the value is zero when using the formula. And then how to read cross-price elasticity results. A positive cross-price elasticity means the two products are substitutes. If the price of one product rises, the demand for the other goes up. For instance, if Coca-Cola, for example, becomes more expensive, consumers might turn to Pepsi as an alternative option. Similarly, if airline A increases its ticket prices, more travelers might book flights with airline B instead. A negative cross-price elasticity, on the other hand, points to complementary products. When the price of one product increases, it reduces demand for both. For example, if printers become more expensive, fewer people might buy them, which could also cause a drop in demand for ink cartridge. Or if a hamburger purchase go on sale, consumers might buy more hamburger buns to pair with them. A zero cross-price elasticity indicates that the products are unrelated. In this case, a price change in one product has no noticeable effect on the demand for the other. For example, a rise in car prices wouldn't impact the demand for bread. Beyond the sign of the elasticity, the size of the value provides even more insight into the relationships between products. And then we move to uses of cross-price elasticity. The first, perform a competitive analysis. A competitive analysis helps companies to understand their competitors so that they can work to develop strategies and products that help to differentiate themselves and gain market share. Companies can use cross-price elasticity to help identify these competitors that offer similar products and services. They can then determine how the marketing strategies of their competitors are affecting their revenue. And then the second, develop marketing strategies. When a business is developing new marketing strategies, knowing the cross-price elasticity can be helpful. This is because it can help the business understand how the pricing of complementary and competitive markets impact the demand. Businesses can then use this information to develop marketing strategies to improve demand or increase revenue. And then third, identify and manage risk. Businesses can use cross-price elasticity calculations to identify potential risks to their revenue and financial growth. For example, this calculation can help businesses determine what may happen when the prices of complementary or competing products increase or decrease. This can help the team create effective strategies to manage risk. And then we move to importance of cross-price elasticity. The first about market structure insights. Cross-price elasticity offers valuable insights into market structures and competition, enabling you to estimate the level of competition in their specific retail sector. This can help position your products effectively within oligopoly and monopolistic market. And then the second, revenue optimization. By understanding the relationships between the prices of different products and their impact on consumer demand, you can optimize your overall revenue. This optimization often involves analyzing the absolute value of cross pricing elasticity and adjusting pricing strategies to benefit from economies of scale and tax incidence considerations. I think it is enough. Thanks for watching.